Welcome back to another Speedex Tools YouTube video. Today we're going to be highlighting 5 new products that we've just brought into our stores last month, and we're going to show you why you need it in your collection. Let's get started. Now let's get started with something that every workshop needs, but people rarely talk about it. This is our new line, a Swiftec calcium grease and .4 brake fluid. So if you ever had a squeaky hinge, a stubborn bearing, or a machine that just sounds like it needs help, this is where a Swiftec calcium MP3 grease comes in. And trust me, just a little bit goes a long way to help reduce friction and making sure that the machines are working nice and smooth. Because let's be honest, if it moves, spins, or squeaks, this is what you need. This calcium MP3 grease for 1 kilo is going for 15 dirhams, and for 500 grams is going for 10 dirhams. So we talked about the grease that makes sure your things run smoothly. Now let's talk about brake fluid that makes sure that you stop safely. This Swiftec .4 brake fluid was designed to be used in high pressure and high heat, perfect for any car, any road situation. This .4 brake fluid for 500 milliliters is going only for 10 dirhams. And now for our next product is this SDS Max to SDS Plus adapter. Okay, but wait, before I talk about this, tell me that was a good transition, right? Okay, whatever, don't agree with you, I don't care. Basically, this is a simple but nifty little product. If you have a SDS Max machine and you want to use a SDS Plus bit, this is what you need. This will save you some money and make your toolbox and the tools you have more versatile. This SDS Max to SDS Plus adapter is going only for 71 dirhams. Sorry, it's a little bit heavier than I expected, but when it's heavy, you know it's good quality. This is a Wiha 80 pieces insulated tool set, and believe me, this has been creating so much buzz. So many people have asked us to bring it, and you know, we listen to you guys, so we brought it. Let's talk about this product more. Once people just see the kit, they only want to know what's inside. And when you open it, you'll see it's built for professionals. Everything is premium, everything is organized, and this is just what Wiha embodies. Wiha is known for its high quality German tools, and this tool set is built just for that. Whether you're an electrician, maintenance team, or just any industrial professional, this tool set, having a ready toolkit just goes a long way. It makes life so much easier. This is for serious people. That's why this is going for 7,999 dirhams. But believe me, when I tell you the German quality, 80 pieces, up to 1,000 volts of electricity, that's cheap. Let's move on to the next product. I think you know what the next product is. This is a YATO 45-liter evaporative cooler. And if you ever worked in a garage or workstation for long hours, especially in this Dubai heat, I think you know why it's so much. Let's move this chair. I think you know why it's so much needed. I had to wear a jacket, by the way, high-vis jacket. Whatever, let's talk about the YATO cooler. This 45-liter cooler is only going for 499 dirhams. And when I say it's cold, trust me, it's cold. Actually, come, feel it yourself. Go, feel how cold it is. I got you with that transition, didn't I? Whatever. Basically, last but not least, we have our Kärcher K3 and K5 pressure washers. These are both similar products, just a little bit different. They both come with a home kit and a car kit. Basically, accessories to clean your home, accessories to clean your car. The K5 comes with a little bit more power with 145 bars of pressure, and the K3 comes with 120 bars of pressure. The K5 has a water cooler motor, basically longer life and more performance, while the K3 has an air cooler motor, less life and performance as the K5, but trust me, it does not disappoint. The K5 is going for 2,999 dirhams, while the K3 is going for 999 dirhams. I think that's 5, right? Am I counting correctly? Okay, that's all I have planned for today. Thank you so much for watching the Speedex Tools YouTube video. We have new products coming in every month, every week, every day. Stay tuned, like the video and subscribe, and turn your notifications on for new videos and more updates on Speedex Tools for behind the scenes and everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.
Speed. Speedex, inspiring ideas, projects, and homes.
Speedex.